This is a Tally customization. Using this customization, you can export your stock report for all godown, or you can check godown wise closing balance in Tally. You can export stock report for selected godown also. After that, you can update your actual stock in that Excel file and import in Tally to compare with stock closing balance in Tally. And you can also create a stock journal for consumption or production based on the Excel data which you are comparing. So we are starting from export stock report, but first we can display. Here I have only one item with godown wise stock. So I'm going to export this. This is the Excel sheet which I can update. So for this physical quantity, I'm not having 42 pieces, I'm having only 41 pieces. So I'm updating this in Excel sheet, save this and close this Excel sheet. Now I'm going to import using a physical stock report menu. You can see this report is showing a difference in quantity is 1 piece. And for second location, there is no difference or 0. So no need to update in case of closing balance from Tally and your actual physical stock is same. So I can also filter this report. So show with the different quantity only, and it will show only difference quantity item. I can filter on item name, or I can filter on location also. Depend on your need. So I'm just going to filter on difference quantity only, and now I'm just need to pass a stock journal for consumption of this one quantity. So what I'm doing, just selected this item using a space bar, or you can use select all button and then press F5 to creating stock voucher. So I selected stock journal, voucher date is today, and then I can put narration or leave it empty. And it already passed that entry. So here the entry for 1 piece of consumption. Thank you for watching. You can call me to purchase this add-on, or you can find link in the description of this video, so you can directly purchase this customization. Thank you.